Alright, this is my 05 Powerstroke with a tune on it. It's got an air raid drop-in intake. I recently took out the grill. I took out the honeycomb inlets and painted it satin black. Got it nice and waxed and detailed. I'm about to cold start it. It's not bad for a 13-year-old truck. Body's in very good condition. And I'm going to cold start with a 4-inch exhaust by MBRP. 4-inch exhaust by MBRP. Air raid intake. An STE tuner. So, let's start it up. Hopefully the microphone didn't get phased out. Underneath, this is straight pipe. I installed it myself. Let's actually go back around the other way. This is straight pipe, up and around. I had to do a few modifications. I had to cut it. I had to cut with the Sawzall. My 05. Nice and detailed and waxed. Cold start. 4-inch exhaust. Let's go into the cab. 4-inch exhaust. It's got a 4-inch exhaust. In the cab, it's very quiet as I close the door. It's an XLT model. I put the 08 and up tow mirrors. They do work. Power adjustable. Oops. I adjust it right there. Kind of move my mirrors when I got them. Let's move the other mirrors. Okay. Move it to the side, okay. It's very quiet in the cab. I don't have the auxiliary gauges, which, not gauges, upfitter switches, which I will probably put in later, as well as the brake assist. It's about $180 for the parts. The wiring's actually already in the vehicle, which I love. There's one thing I'm actually missing, it's my tuner. I actually have an SCT tuner, which it does have a performance tune on it. Let me plug it up. Okay. The truck does have a performance tune. Standard from the SCT. I got my gauges. So at 60 to 65 miles an hour, it revs about 1500 to 1700 RPMs, which is awesome. Gives me good MPGs as a diesel. Non-EGR delete. But in this case, I don't need it because I live in California. I have to have the EGR. But I'm not running the catalytic converter or muffler. So, but it's quiet in the cab. Give it some revs. You can kind of hear it from outside, from the exhaust pipe. So that was a cold start. It's the 05 Powerstroke. No EGR, non-EGR delete. So it does have the EGR. Performance tune. SCT. Let's see here. SCT tuner. I'm going to my gauges. I have all 6 gauges. I have the airflow, intake air temp, temperature of the oil, turbo boost, transmission temps, battery voltage, barometer, and coolant temps. All right there. Once I get my mount, I'm going to mount it somewhere on the dash. But I'm very happy with the tune, very happy with the mods. I also went all Motorcraft fluids and parts, Motorcraft gold, coolant, flushed it out. the Motorcraft LV, Mercon LV, flush it out. So alright, that's my truck. Cold start. My 05 F250 diesel Powerstroke. Just got it detailed. Got the 08 and up mirrors on it, tow mirrors upgraded. They do work.
What year is your truck, man?
05.
Man, that's terrible. 05.
I also.
Same mileage as a mother's car.
Oh yeah. I put the
Yours is a year older, 2004. Actually, I bought it in 2003.
straight pipe on it. Just go back a little bit. There you go. They do some fitment on the straight pipe. Up and around the axle, 4-inch exhaust. Stainless steel piping. Did all the work myself. Restored the rear. SCT tuner mounted to the floor. Hole 5. Let's do a cold start. Shut up here. Okay, turn the programmer on. Let's go to gauges. All my gauges. Airflow, intake temp, oil temp, turbo boost, barometer, battery voltage, coolant temp, trans temp. SCT tuner, tuned to the performance tune. Back to the exhaust.